देखने होगी।
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to India. Is that right? Your keyboard is set to English, India. Want to stick with that? Do you also type with another keyboard layout? Which language do you want to use for your second keyboard layout? Which keyboard layout do you want to add?
देवनागरी क्या traditional.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the... Now type your credentials.
Password?
6200 लगाते हैं कि संदीप है कि 6200 4800 नील
Mission accomplished. You're all linked up.
ठीक पड़ गया
है गला गला नहीं करेक्ट रहे नेटवर्क से
Next up, the legal stuff. In short, you'll need to select Accept to use Windows. You can decline, but then, no win. Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions.
Yes, totally.
अच्छा है गला
उतना ले ले बैक कर क्रिएट अकाउंट
सही है ना
माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में ना किया था
तेरा कौन ना कैसे दिखा दे फोन नंबर डाल ना
डाल 6200 4800 34 1996
3 4 ना और देख क्या सिलेक्ट करो ना
These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them and select Accept when you're ready. Your device manufacturer would like your contact info to send you updates and such. Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things helping out.
तेईस 24 मिनट हो गए.
सेव कर देना वीडियो.
यहाँ से नहीं.